In lottery and sweepstakes fraud, scammers call, message, or send mail saying that you've won a prize. They might impersonate Publishers Clearinghouse, a rich celebrity like Mark Zuckerberg, or a friend of yours. They tell you that before you get your winnings, you have to send them money for delivery or taxes via wire transfer or gift card. But don't do it. It's a scam. You won't receive the prize money, and you'll be out the money you sent to the scammers. Be wary of spoofed social media profiles. And legitimate sweepstakes won't ask you for money in order to send your prize. BBB's recent study on sweepstakes, lottery, and prize scams shows that these scams can happen to anyone and cost consumers more than $117 million every year. Learn more about how to protect yourself at bbb.org.